If you're considering to take a multi-level exam such as LTE exam or LanguageCert Academic, you might be thinking how on earth you can prove that you are B2 level or B1 level or C1 level. In an ideal situation, if you are B2, you should score B2 at your writing and speaking test. But that's an ideal situation, and we know that the world is not perfect. So it is not uncommon that a student who is at B2 level scores just B1, but also it's not uncommon that a student who is at B2 level scores C1. So how to do that? Does it mean that we have to cheat the system? Yes and no. To start with, we need to know what it really means to be at a given level. So what it means to be at B1, at B2, at C1. To do that, let's have a look at a table that will state it very clearly what you need to show in the exam to prove that you are at a given level. Let's consider what you need to show to prove that you are at B2 level. At a B2 level, you should be able to use with ease sentences with defining and non-defining relative clauses, so you should understand the difference. Also, you should be able to use the phrase with there for any possible tense. You should know and be able to show that you know all the tenses, including, for example, present perfect continuous or past perfect. When it comes to a little bit more complex phrases, you should be able to use some passive voice sentences and also second and third conditionals. When it comes to modal verbs, we should add to the list the expressions such as ought to or must and can't for deduction. Of course, prepositions and suffixes and prefixes are a must. You should have a good command of articles. You should be able to use adjectives and adverbs freely, and also some intensifiers such as words like extremely, much, far, to, and so on. At this level, you should also show a range of discourse markers expressing different functions such as addition, cause and effect, contrast, sequence, and time. Remember that what belongs to level B2 is everything from levels A1, A2, and B1 plus a little bit more. So you definitely need to be good at previous levels, use the features from previous levels with ease, and add to them some structures belonging to B2 level. Again, you are not obliged to show them all. It would be rather impossible, but you need to focus on demonstrating some features of B2 level so that the examiners can understand that you are at B2 level.